Okay, you didn't have standard possession in November of 2024, did you?
No.
So you're not faulting Mr. Jenkins for not giving you more time when you were on a step-up schedule, are you? Yes or no?
Can you rephrase the question?
My question is that the court dictated how much time you were supposed to have with your daughter during that time. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And you're not telling the judge that Mr. Jenkins interfered with the court order time, are you?
That's correct.
You also said that you didn't have anything, you want everyone to believe that you don't have any mental health concerns, but you have bipolar disorder, don't you?
Yes.
Okay. In addition, ma'am, you aren't here today saying that your daughter's in danger with any person with whom Mr. Jenkins may or may not.
It's unfortunate that this lady's attorney is that bad that she couldn't have anticipated that. Listen, there are people out here who struggle with things like bipolar. It's not a crime. However, she shouldn't have structured her question earlier like she did not. You know what? She shouldn't have even mentioned that.
Not leave her with, is she?
No.
Okay. And in fact, ma'am, you're here today because of something that you want, not what's best for your daughter. Isn't that right?
I think it's good for my daughter.
Objection non-responsive.
Sustain.
Yes or no, ma'am? You're here today because of something that you want, correct?
Yes.
And in fact, have you been diagnosed with anything other than bipolar disorder?
I have anxiety.
Okay. Are you currently taking medication for either of those diagnoses?
Yes, I am.
And all of these dates that you showed the judge about comedy shows, you know, based on your own exhibits, you don't know what time those shows were, do you?
Objection. It's ambiguous. Which shows are we talking about? There's hundreds.
Any of them. I'm sorry, my question is, of any of the shows that you showed the court, are you aware of the timing of those shows?
Yes, some of the shows he shared what time they were.
Okay. Do you know if any of those shows took place when your daughter was in school, for example?
I don't know.
Well, it's possible that your daughter could have been in school, and if that were true, then she wouldn't have been left alone with anyone else, right?
Objection calls for speculation.
Well, Judge, my response respectfully is that she opened the door. This is cross-examination. She swore that he was away from the daughter at all of these times, and I think I'm entitled to examine whether that's true. So if you're not telling the judge by that list that you admitted into evidence of his post that he was away, then you don't know that he was actually away from your daughter Eleanor during each of those dates, do you?
Some of the dates I do know.
Objection non-responsive.
Sustain.
Yes or no, for each of those dates that you showed this judge on those posts, are you aware whether or not he was actually away from your daughter?
Just say no. You know it's no.
No.
So you just did that for dramatic effect to try to mislead the court, right?
No.
Okay. I'm going to pass this witness, Judge.
Okay.
Clean
Attorney
her
Hines,
up.
any...
Hey, contact Brandon Joseph.